everyone, happy Monday. Yung bago natin dineliver, tsaka yung mga bread. Last delivery, last 9, 3 hours, tapos na tayo. Ligpit lang ako mamaya. Hi Shadows, ayan, papunta tayo sa bus stop from work. Natapos ako ng 12 o'clock. Happy Monday! May nakita kong bulaklak, ang ganda niya. Ayan, nandito na pala tayo sa bus stop. Kumuha lang ako ng chicken at saka tomato kanina. Pang ano sa gutom. Wait tayo, 12:49. Time check, 12:42. 12:42. Ayan, Shadows. Dumaan lang tayo ng Kmart. Titingin lang tayo ng ano, anik-anik, charis, kahit ano. Mga naka-clearance nila. $5. Oh, $3. Ayan, naka-sale oh, $15. 80 liters. Ayan, kumuha tayo nito. Padala natin sa Philippines. Charis. Kumuha rin ako ng isang ganito. Di ba may kinuha ko last time? Green. So, nagtanong ako sa may pinagpagawan ko ng photo namin ni Daddy Martin. Ito daw. Tapos yun yung mga nabili pala natin sa Kmart Shadows. Dalawang comforter. Ito. Tapos mga organizer doon. Tapos ito. Lagyan ko ng perfume. Kasi ililipat yung mga perfume sa cabinet, hindi sa sila. Tapos dito naman ako sa bilihan ng mga bag. So while waiting kay Daddy Marky, lakpat siya muna tayo. Cute nito! Cute! $99, $124. Cute na. Order tayo ng donut. So yan yung kinuha nating flavor. Cookies and cream, Tim Tams, dalawang Biscoff and dalawang original. Nagpapili si Amanda ng Biscoff frappe niya. So kumuha na rin ako ng drinks namin ni Daddy Mark. Smart! What you want, Mark? Sunod tayo ni Daddy Mark. What you want? Original?
I don't know. What do you recommend? How much are they? That's naughty, Mark.
So?
And special.
No?
The biggie one, like.
The what?
Oh,
This one? This is a Biscoff. Biscoff, Tim Tam, cookies and cream, and then the original.
Are you having the cookies and cream?
You wanna share it?
Yep.
Let's.
Amanda, what?
We tried the cookies and cream. She likes the Biscoff, that's why I got Biscoff. Huh? Yum. Yummy. Sa loob. Sigod, mahal?
Is one on?
Oh, Mark?
Mahal. Sorry, Emmeline. It is good. Emmeline?
Bahay na punta namin. Ang daming chiko! Sabi niya pwede akong kumuha sa December. Kumuha ako ng box. Balikbayan box. Baby!
How much were the boxes?
Free.
Free?
Yeah.
What do you mean free?
It's free.
Can't be free.
I didn't pay anything.
How come?
I don't know. How much? I said, no, you don't have to pay.
Wowzers.
I should take 3 then. Dalawa lang kasi yung kinuha kong box. So,
Go back and get more.
no, next time. We are here in Office Works to buy tape. Do you need something else? So, sinuggest nung lalaki kanina na pinagkuha na natin ng box. Gamit tayo ng brown tape, packing tape. Tsaka ito. Sabi ni Daddy Marky, bumili ka ng gun. Ito para mas madali ang buhay. So, the gun is $14.36 and then the 6 pieces tape is $10.98. First time kong magpapapadala. So,
Like, what's so interesting to me about it is, you know, the 1, 2, 3. It's
so yan yung nabili natin sa Priceline. Body wash. So, buy 2, take 1 free. Yan ang free niya. Tapos, bumili ako ng isa. Tapos, feminine wash. Ito sa Fishworks. Para sa box. Ito sa Big W. Para sa picture namin ni Daddy. Kmart. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Oh, fresh naman ng mommy. Parang hindi real ah. Yung ano lang ng ilaw yun. Oh my gosh. Or yung camera ko super liwanag. Ayan. First delivery. Last delivery. Shadows. Tapos punta tayo ng Sola mamaya. Mag-set up tayo para sa restaurant. Ganun na ang setup ng Mommy M. So, deli and then restaurant. Hi, Shadows! So, ayan. Time check. It's 2:15. Ayan, nakapag-base na ako. Natapos ang work natin ng alas 2. Tambay tayo dito sa canteen kasi wait natin si Daddy Marky. Kumain naman ako pero hindi siya ganun kabigat. Kasi mga 11, nagpapapak ako ng cherry tomato, cucumber, tsaka chicken. Tapos yung natira ko, yun yung kinain ko nung lumabas ako sa work. Tapos ngayon, meron tayong tsaa. Nilagyan ko ng milk. Tapos gumawa ako ng... Tinoast ko yung bread, tapos nilagyan ko ng butter tsaka sugar. Ginagawa nyo rin ba ito yung toasted bread, tapos may sugar. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-crunchy. Kain tayo. Pahinga lang ako tapos magbasa ng libro. Meron akong book na binabasa ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung libro na lagi ko lang dala dito sa bag ko just in case maghintay ako ng matagal. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa page 115. Ni-start ko siyang basahin. Natagal na. Ilan ba? Pinakauna akong nagbasa. Kasi binili ko to June 23. Ayan, my day. Ayan, kain muna ako, tas manood na rin ng mga vlogs. Bye! Have a lovely Tuesday, everyone. Ang bilis ng araw. Nag-aanohan kami ng steps namin. 10,101. Sa'yo, 10,510. O, di ikaw na panalo.
How's it go?
Okay. I'm with mahal ko. Time check 3:51. Natapos tayo na alas 2, di ba? We're going home.
Oh.
Shadows, someone told us that those stars, that those two things in there are Saturn and Jupiter. Di makita. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Tingnan ako may CCTV. Chalit. Ayan, mag-deliver tayo. Solo burger na walang bandeshi. Hi, Shadows. Di na ako nakapag-update kanina. Kita nyo to. Grapes barbecue. Chalis. Nilagay ko dito yung grapes kasi yung isang ibon namin, pag nilalagay ko sa isang container, ilalabas niya. Kalat-kalat. Ganun. Try natin dito kung uubusin nila na nandito sa stick. Tapos meron silang repolyo dito. Nagluto si Amanda ng bulalo. Happy Thursday! I vlog yesterday. Clouds. Thursday na po. Time check 5:43. forgot. Ay, na wow. Good morning, my love. I'm gonna show you Jupiter and Saturn. Look at the clouds forming again. And there's Jupiter and Saturn. So the forecast, it's gonna rain.
Google it.
Let's check. Huh? Our shadows. Happy Thursday.
Can't believe it's
I know, right? Time check 3:13. Maagang nag-out si Daddy Marky because we're going to the city today. Pagod na pagod yung mag-asawa na yun. And then daan lang kami dito sa may pet barn because we're gonna buy cat food, dry food ng mga pusa. Aya, pet barn. Aya. So magsa-search muna si Daddy Marky how much yung price ng cat food, and then kung mas mababa yung price ng nakita niya sa online tas mas mahal dito sa pet barn, ipa-price match na yun. Price match. Galing, no? Kung ano yung pinakamababang price niya, yun yung babayaran niya. Right, my love? Is it? If you saw like lower price than the pet barn, they're gonna price match it.
correct.
Yeah. I think you can do that everywhere, maybe.
Well, I tried to at Kelly's warehouse, and they wouldn't let me.
Okay, Miss Warehouse doesn't wanna do price match because their price is already low. Yes! Andito na. Oy! What's that? Love, this one, oh? That's the food. But that's the white one, though.
Yeah.
You wanna go to Woolies? Ang cute na lang. Sabi ko kay Marky, pag nagka-ano tayo, dito yung aquarium. Hello. 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 Cutie. Hello. $6 each. Oh, how cute. Angel fish. Hello. Meron tayong ganyan sa Pilipinas dati. Shadows, kwento ko lang sa inyo, no? One time, nag-grocery kami sa Woolies. Bumili ako nito, parang Nova natin dyan sa Philippines. Tapos nung gusto ko na siyang kainin, inubos ng aking mister. That was long time ago. Few months ago. And now, he got it for me. Pinalitan niya yung utang niya siya. You wanna have it now? Are you hungry?
Okay.
We can have it later on while driving. So, dito kami sa Woolies Bodrum nakabili ng pagkain ng mga ibon na yun. Favorite kasi nila to. They don't like the white one. But it's still mixed, baby.
Brain, my hot dog.
It's this one. Frankie and
Frankie and
Friend.
Friends.
That's their food.
Those don't have that.
Yeah. Yung nag-rush kaming umuwi para hindi kami abutan ng traffic papuntang Brisbane. But here we go, 4:09 and we're still here. But our things is ready naman na. We prepared it last night. We're just gonna change and pack and go. Pack and go.
Pack and go. Amanda's already.
You know that? Yeah, she's ready. You know that pack and go? Pack and go, pack and send.
Pack and send, Marco.
Ayan. Thank you, Marco! So, ganito tsura niya. Sa mga nandito sa Australia and nag-crave kayo ng Nova. This is sour cream though. Sour cream flavor. Sour cream and chives. Yummy. Yum. Is this on special?
Half price.
How much?
$2.50.
Yep.
Should have bought you more.
Yummy. We are ready.
Get your motor running. Head on down the highway. Looking for adventure.
We look like Elvis Presley in that side.
Ay, ay, ay.
Manda ready? Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Ice matcha. Sorry. No cream?
No cream.
No cream. And in a massage.
So you after the matcha ice latte, where it's just milk, ice, and matcha,
Yes, please.
and the massage.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
28.50 for those ones. Guys.
28.
Thank
50.
you. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
You too.
Cheerio.
Cool.
Little mountain.
Little mountain.
Little mountain.
Wowzers.
Caloundra.
Okay, come on, cheers before.
Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Thank you, love.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers for a beautiful day tonight, beautiful day tomorrow, and Saturday. No dramas, just enjoy our day.
How can we not enjoy our day? We're at the Echo.
Yummy!
Yay.
Yeah, well, that'll be beautiful. And tell Emmett to get a photo of her.
Ay, ay, ay.
All right, big love.
What happened today, baby?
I was a radar. But I was fine. I was sitting on 112.
Look at the weather. Yeah, Tibro Gargan. That's the Tibro Gargan. Look at the clouds.
Eerie. You've got
Tingnan nyo
eyes,
naman yung
look.
traffic, oh.
Yeah, you'll get a good sight of it as we go over this
And
hill.
then, papunta sa city, hindi na traffic.
Look at the traffic
Look
now.
at that. Wow. Wow, this. Time check. What time is it? 6:06.
6:06.
Easy. We are here in the city. Oh, that's the rides na and the Eka. Oh. Gonna see that tomorrow, guys. Wow. Very sweet.
Yan, ganyan yung sinakyan namin.
Wow,
Okay.
this.
So it's 1.8 kilometer walk.
We're here. We're gonna stay here in Astor apartment.
Oh, hang on. Do I have to get...
We are here, people. Astor. Just parking only, people. Shadows, stay lang kami dito ng 2 night. Pero look, evacuate. Nakakuha si Daddy Mark ng trolley.
moving in, people.
I know, right? Every time na lumalabas kami, we want extra clothes. We are here! Ang ganda ng mga view. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view, yung ganda. So, yan yung view namin dito sa ating kitchen. Look at the Sofitel. That's where our reception is, where we stayed on our wedding day. And that's our... Commonwealth. Kung saan kami nag-ano. Saan kami kinasal.
Wow,
What? Like what?
this is huge.
Wow, baby. And it's so cheap, Daddy.
I know.
Saya-saya niya. Wow. Where's our room? Ang ganda ng lounge, oh. Simple lang siya. I love it.
The laundry. Amanda's bathroom. Wait.
Okay. Room tour. Our room.
Our room.
Where's the ensuite? Where's the ensuite? Sobrang saya naman. Wow, sis. I love it.
Ang ganda, no? Kahit simple lang siya.
True. How about in your room?
Look at the view in my room. It's so nice.
Let's look at your room.
Check it out, guys.
Oh. So
That's
open.
insane.
Wow, sis.
Wow.
That's where you're married.
All lights, I know. Ganda dito, love.
Nawala yung ano mo, no?
Yung tae ko? Dito pa rin sa pit ko lalabas na. Ay,
Wow.
yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
What's the review in here?
It it's like some 4 point something.
Under Sofitel.
I know.
We
We're
should.
gonna have room tour.
There's
Apartment
Wi-Fi.
tour tomorrow. Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Apartment tour. Are we gonna bring down the trolley?
Hmm?
Wowzers. Okay. Okay, pagpasok mo, kaso night bukas na lang tayo mag-room tour maybe. Apartment tour. So that's a nighttime. Lounge, dining table. The kitchen. So we have microwave, induction cooker, dishwasher. That's not microwave. Oven. That's the microwave. Did you put food in the fridge? Not yet.
Not yet.
That's the laundry. Amanda's room. Amanda's toilet. Ooh. There's a lot of covered, malab. Cupboard. That's our room, which I showed before. Ang luwang din ng closet. And that's the view. Look at the painting. I love the color. Where can we buy that? Even that one. Love it. O yung ganitong kakulayan ng wood or maybe lighter. Tapos wood tile din siya. I love it. Ito, pintuan papunta sa veranda. Nice! So, ayan, habang may time pa, nag-aayos na ako ng gamit. Yung mga shoes, nilagay ko na doon. Ihahang ko tong coat ni Daddy Marky. Yung ibang gamit niya nandyan sa, ayusin natin mga gamit natin. Ang ating, brush and akala ko hindi siya nagdala ng sabon. So, may dinala siya. May dinala din ako. Ay. So, napansin ko sa aming mag-asawa, every time na may lakad kami, nag-stay over, ang dami naming dala, just in case. Because Daddy Marky loves going out. Like, kakain sa labas. Like, kung mag-Melbourne kami, labas kami ng labas, diba? So, Dala lang kami ng extra mga damit. Ang daming dala ni Daddy Mark na jumper. So yung coat na hawak ko kanina, coat and then leather jacket. Leather jacket. Wala, diba? Yan yung isang damit. Ang daming dala. Tapos yan naman yung mga ibang damit pa namin. So, kumuha ako niyan. Siguro pang tulog ko to. Tapos mga pangloob na shirt. Kasi malamig. Mga undergarments. Tapos ibang damit namin ni Daddy. Panglabas. Yan yung panglabas niya na dinner siguro. Tignan natin. Yan. Unpack natin yung laman ng aking bag. Mga polo ni Daddy Mark. T-shirt and socks na. So, ibang damit ko na dyan. Tapos, mga pantalon ni Love. Tapos, mga pants ko din. Ayan lang. Boots ang laman ng bag. So, ayan na. Na-organize na natin yung mga damit namin. Mga gamit ni Daddy. Bag natin nandun sa ilalim. We're good. Nandun yung mga shoes natin. Wait lang, meron pa pala akong isang bag. So, this is my other bag. Dito yung mga anik-anik natin, pampaganda, ganun. Yung medjas natin later on, pag matutulog. Charger. Milk, of course, pang kilikili. Socks, extra socks, another jumper for me, headband, brush ko, so ang aking clothes. Ang kalat, no? Nagmaleta na lang sana. And now we are ready. Nice ko lang yung hem ko. And nagpalit ako ng shoes kasi medyo masakit yun sa paa. So, si Amanda kanina sa bahay, pinaayos ko sa kanya mga food. Yun yung ginamit niya, Woolies na bag. So, meron tayo ng grapes, kiwi, oranges, yung bulldog niya. Tapos, may dalawang leche flan dyan kasi magkikita kami ni Tita Sandra tomorrow. And then, yan, ibang food. Tapos, mga beer ni Daddy Marky and wine. So, sa bag, nilagay niya itong mga ice pack. We are ready, people! Gwapo naman yan! Okay, Daddy decided to have dinner here. What's the name? Creole? Soul Kitchen. Thank you! Ang cute ng nila. What's that, baby? When the going gets weird, the weird turn pro. Is it? Is it the same?
Yep.
I have lemon lime bitters here. Daddy. Mahal. 1 to 3.
Dito ka mag-photo.
That's our dinner. Pizza, garlic bread, and the chicken.
Thank you.
You guys all good for
Yan na lang natira sa food namin. That's yummy. Chicken.
Yeah, oh, it's so good.
More of that, please. So, lusog. Can you say that? Yum.
Soul food.
Sarap nga dito. Here, try it. So, malapit sa kinainan
You better
natin
take
yung
the phone number.
Chicken Inn.
What time's it open until tomorrow night?
Famous yan sa TikTok. Meron silang 500 followers. 500,000. And dyan lang kami kumain. Sa part na yan. Shadows, lakad kami papunta sa school ko dati. So dito ako laging naglalakad papunta sa school. When was the last time I came here? 1 year. April, May, June,
picked
May,
you up on
June,
your
July, August,
graduation.
September, October. Huh? May? May, June, July, August. 1 year and 4 months. Ngayon na ulit ako nakabalik. Ayan, malapit na. Tabi ng Papilio.
Oh, were you a toddler here?
Fuck.
You were a toddler here.
Ay, ay, ay. Imagine. Welcome to Imagine Education, where I finish my studies. Wait lang. Game. Sige, mag-smile kayo. Una mong pose. Okay na. Yes, dyan ako nag-aral. I graduated last April 2024. Iilisin niya to. We're here in the apartment shadow. See ya! Bye-bye! That was a good Indians. We are here in the apartment. Palit lang tayo ng shoes. Kunwari, napaka-organized naman yan, me. So, dito tayo sa kitchen. Kiwa tayo ng ano. Maghanap lang ako ng makagamitan nila dito. Sabi ko, ganito sana, napaka-minimalist. Look. Kung ano lang sana yung mga kailangan natin, no? Matipid. Like, yan lang. Chopping board lang talaga laman niya. Tapos yan. Ganda ng kukulayan nila, ha? White and green. Tapos dito naman. Yung. Ano lang talaga. Minsan ang ganda ding lumayo sa bahay kasi sa bahay purong ang gamit. Love, what time is it? 10:45 na shadows. We're still awake. Plan sana ni Daddy Marky lumabas to drink. Like sa mga bar. Pero sabi ko, we're gonna have a long day again tomorrow. So we're just gonna stay here in the apartment. Would you like some orange? Okay. Can use one of their towel. Didn't find any kitchen tour tayo. Oh, it's the exhaust. Another one. Dami mga paglagyan din ha. Like one pan, one pot. Oh, baby, we need to dispose a lot at home. Maging minimalist. Ayan. Tapos nagbaon din kami ng leche flan. Diba sabi ko kanina? Ang ating na over, na caramel. Kain tayo! Ay, much ba ang ano? Wow. Ako ang arte ko pa man din sa mga ano, like, laging naghuhugas kasi nga sa kitchen tayo nag-work. Kain lang tayo konti. Ilang subo. Yamang creamy. Yummy. Magdala tayo dun sa lounge. I think dun yung side na perfect for me. Para makapag-unat ako ng paa. Yay! I found my perfect spot! I can stretch! Ah! And chill lang tayo while watching. Shadows time check 11 something and may naglilinis sa road. Brush talaga siya. Sayang hindi natin nakita nung nandito siya sa tapat. Pinumandar yung brush niya. That's the moon. City lights. Sa likod kasi ito ng town proper ng city center. Ay, pumunta siya sa other way. Ngayon ko lang na ano to, may nagre-release ng kalsada. Yan no? Galing. Nagko-comparean kami ng steps ni Mahal. He did 13,448. I did 13,800.
How many is
For the
today?
first time in history, I bit you,